In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cowbell melody in Soundtrap. Open your browser and head to Soundtrap's website. This is an online studio, so there's nothing to install, and it works great with headphones, so you can clearly hear your sounds as you build. When you land on the site, look for the Login button. Click that, then choose Login with Google. Select your Google account on the next screen to continue. If you prefer a different sign-in method, that's fine too. The goal is simply to get into the studio without sharing any personal details on screen. Once you're in, go to Studio. This opens the main workspace where your tracks, patterns, and instruments live. From here, click Add New Track. You'll be asked what kind of instrument you want. Choose an instrument track so we can program our cowbell pattern inside the sequencer. Next, pick Patterns Beatmaker. You'll also see Smart Drummer, which can generate grooves for you, but for precise control over a cowbell melody, Beatmaker Step Grid is the best choice. With Beatmaker open, look for the Sound Library panel and click Machines. This is where you'll find drum machines and kits tailored for different genres and textures. Use the search bar and type Cowbell Funk. Funk kits are great for that punchy, syncopated cowbell sound that cuts through a mix. If you don't see results right away, check your spelling or try a quick refresh. Some kits are marked as premium. If you see a crown or lock icon, it means you may need a paid plan to use that particular machine. Click Cowbell Funk to load the kit. You'll now see lanes for each sound in the kit, including the cowbell. The grid shows steps across the bar, and you can click to add or remove notes. To craft a catchy cowbell melody, start by placing hits on off beats to create bounce, then fill in a few extra steps to form a memorable pattern. Adjust velocity on individual steps to add dynamics, so not every note hits with the same intensity. If your kit offers tone or pitch controls, slightly vary a few steps to make the melody feel more musical. You can also experiment with the swing and pattern length settings in Beatmaker to shift the groove and add movement. That's it. You've gone from opening Soundtrap to loading the Cowbell Funk machine and shaping a cowbell melody you can build a track around. Keep experimenting with spacing, accents, and variations, and let your ears guide you.